Hello everyone. Today we're going to find at least the first four non-zero terms of the general solution to the differential equation y double prime minus sine x times y equals cosine of x. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to write everything in terms of the power series except for sine of x and cosine x, which we're going to limit to just a few terms. So we have y of x is equal to the sum over all n greater than or equal to 0 of an x to the n, and y double prime of x is the sum over all n greater than or equal to 2 of n times n minus 1 times an times x to the n minus 2. And now for sine of x, we're only going to care about the x term and leave the rest behind. And for cosine of x, we're only going to care about 1 minus 1/2 x squared and leave the rest behind.